Hello guys, welcome back to Solo Studios, and I'm Pirate here as usual. So today we're going to have a look on the Python strings. As per our last video, we just did have a Python setup on Windows. If you do have any other machine like Mac, Linux, you can install the same thing. Python is available for all type of operating systems. You can check it on python.org website. Right, so as I said, today we're going to have introduction to Python strings. So cancel that. There we go. So I'm going to create a new project with IntelliJ IDEA. So let's go and start creating a project. So we have this new project. You select Python and project SDK as shown in the last video. How to configure this? Just click next and just type in the project name. That's going to be our hello project, or hello first. So let's change the directory by that. So I'm going to keep it in F, and I'm going to create a new folder that is Py projects. Right, so there is Py projects and hello first. I'm just going to add one backslash so that we can type in hello first. So this is the directory for our hello first project, and Py projects is our main directory, and you can have more settings here. That is good. So let's have finish. So it is saying this doesn't exist, the directory doesn't exist, so we want to create it. Let's do it. OK, and wait till this IntelliJ gets loaded. Close that. Right, so we have in this, so this is project. Just make sure that you have selected only project. That's going to be good. If you see this is nothing here, you can go that and select a lot of things by here. Now just say file, or go edit, new Python file. So this is our strings. Press enter. Now it has get loaded. So as I said that Python is a strongly typed language, means it has some format for typing as in English, just like adding space before paragraph. Like say I have a defining a function, then this added this for here, right? That's okay to go with. So let's begin. Start talking about strings. The most important thing when we do Python is the first function. That's the print hello everybody. So let me give a hint to this is a print, and it's like say printing strings or the body you want to on the interpreter window, and the thing this is inside is the strings, right? So this is known as the string, and this is what we're going to look at today. So let's go and run this by right clicking and run strings. There is a hello everybody. You may have got what print is. It just prints what you want, right? So this is what for the print segment. Then you can have this window. You can see you can get it anywhere. I mean, you can go it, move to left, just go to left like that. It's up to your personal preference where you want it. Yeah, I want it down, so I'm going to get bottom. Next is Alt plus 1. There we get Alt plus 1. Now we have views, different kinds of views here, and I can go in presentation mode, I can go in full screen mode, and I can navigate. I can have view, I can see tools, I can have the run window here. I have then lots and lots of things are here. Let's just say this is a terminal. The same thing you can do it. Print hello. I'm sorry for that. So unable to initialize device. There is some other error. I'm not able to get it, but this was just for print. And the next thing we're going to look is at codes. Now you must have observed this thing. These are the codes in which we are going to put in our strings, and the codes are really good at Python. So if you see, the results will be same for this thing, and this thing. I will show you run. Now you can see the results are same for this thing. Whether we have changed the codes, the results are going to be same. The first is a single quote, double quote, and triple, 6 times the quote, or say 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 6 times the quote. Now inside a quote we can have a string. Another magical thing we can do is we can put another quote inside one more string. It's going to show up. You can see this string. So thing you need to do is you need to have a starting string and a string at an end of the same type, unlike other languages like Perl or say other Java and other things, they do not make any kind of differentiate between the strings, right? So begin it with same and end it with the same. We can also have like this. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for that. But this is the codes you can put in. You can have some other things if you want to type in like print. I want to type in like she is not good. She is good. Now if you see this, it will show probably an error because we have started the string and ended this one, and we have also started this. In this case we can add one more string here. We can add this one here and this one here, so you can get she is good. And if you want the same string like this, and then you can have a backslash, so it can actually make some sort of thing. So this is a typo, no way. So you see they run it and you see she is hello good, and this is magic of it. You can add up backslashes before any type of codes and it will just ignore that code. Now just moving ahead to 3 codes. 3 codes you don't need to specify anything with this. Just like I have added space here and I can type Jacobin King in England was a king, simply. Now did you see this there? If I have added space, I have entered the line, plus I have added space here, and the same thing is shown here. Now if I did the same in here with this kind of I'm sorry, with this kind of I have pressed enter. This Jacobin is good, is something. Now you see it will simply show an error. So this is the thing we can do with triple quotes. We can add up lines, and when we do this thing, it won't go good. It will show up some error. So if you want not to do this with this kind double strings, we can go with triple quoted strings. Now if you still want to have some spacings and a line gap between this, you can do something like /n Jacobin /n did /n. Now when you see the results, you might be surprised. Jacobin did something. Now this is an escape line. It just adds the front part of it on the other line, just \n. Now what you can do, there's a \n, and I will introduce you to the one thing that's \t or tabbed. So I can do that. Hello, these are some numbers. You can see 1 \t, 2. Simply I don't want to add much space with that \, 3 \t, 4 \t, 5. Now once you see the results, you can see that the strings are tabbed here, right, like that. If you wonder why they're tabbed, that's due to this one. Now it's going to look much good, and it's going to look like that. So this is the /tab. The other thing you can do is concatenate strings, or just you can add up strings. Like let me introduce to something called variable equals my name is variable. Variable. My name equals Shreyash, right? My name is Pirate, right? So what I can do is print. I want to print those like that, so I can do is print. And one thing I also wanted to tell you is that IntelliJ automatically detects what you want to type. Let's just say variable and press enter. I can add in concatenate or plus name. Also I can add a space between that. Yeah, same for the print function. As you can see, the IntelliJ automatically detected when I typed in P. It gave me a list that I want to type. Then I started typing some other characters, and it went on filtering the list, right? So I want to add in space. That's the space like that, and this is name, right? So let's run this. Now you can see my name variable plus my name. This is the variable. It got the value from variable. That's my name is plus the name. My name is Pirate. So it's added that. Next thing, we added a space here. That was the space missing in that. This is variable plus space. That's kind of string and a name again. Another way you can do it with this is print. Print, like say my name is %s percentage bracket name. What happened here? So when I'm going to run this, you can see the same result. My name is Pirate. But what more you can do, I want to replace this with replace that with something other, same thing with more, say percentage s. My name is name, I can say my name is variable comma name, right? Too few arguments, right? So there is my name is pirate. I'm really sorry for that. I'm really sorry for that. So there's some of the error I can do this. I can do this. Sorry. So if you want two of them, you need to put those on in the brackets. So you can see this actually is a replacement for a variable. You can put that out, right? So this will replace the name. The first will replace the variable here. Second will replace the name here. So if we did like this, name, I'm sorry, name, and we did here variable, then you can see pirate is my name is. So we want my name is pirate. So that's it. So that's it for this. And one more concept. I'm sure that you understood what are strings, what are quotes, what are tabbed, and what are backslash n, that is skip the line. The next some variable concept, then string concatenation, and backslash that avoids all sort of quotes after it, right? So this the another thing I want to introduce is this comment. So this is just a comment. This is just a comment, and I want to add a space here. So IntelliJ is very intelligent. So I mean, the software is really intelligent. So the comment is really useful when you want other developers work on your program. Okay, other developers want to work on your programs, then it's just simple. So if I want here, I can add a comment. This is string concatenation. What the spelling of concatenation? Spellings change to what the hell, I don't know spelling, but anyway, this is a string concatenation. So another developer can understand what the following line of code is about. So this was it for an Python strings video and basics of Python strings, and I have given enough of introduction to you about the string. So we'll continue with another video. We'll continue with variables and introduction to variables, that is this kind of statements, this kind of code in more depth and in more detail. But for now, that's it. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.